without being charged for anything. You can now get USD bank account that can actually receive payment from any part of the world straight to your bank account. In this particular video, I'm going to be showing you this free platform that can actually give you USD bank account. Not only that, on this platform you can actually get both USD bank account, Nigerian bank account, GBP bank account, and also Euro account, okay, all for free on this same platform. And I'm going to be breaking down how this thing works and how you can actually use it for any type of payment you want to receive from any part of the world, right? And the best part, you can actually get USD visual card on this very platform to make online payment and buy whatever thing you want to buy on this online space. So if you're ready for this, hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and join us on our Telegram channel. And just check out the link in the pinned comment, and it's going to simply take you to this very platform where you have to simply register your account, okay? And for you to register your account, you have to click on this section right here that says create an account, okay? And you have to decide the type of account you want to create for this to work, all right? And you have to make sure that any account type you are choosing, you already have each document down there for you, all right? So if you're going for personal account, you have to make sure you set aside either your NIN, either your international passport or voter's card, any identity verification document you already have issued by your government. You have to simply set it aside somewhere because you're going to be needing it later to verify this account for you to start receiving payment or for you to create your USD account, okay? Remember, everything is free, but they're going to simply verify you so that they will know that you're a real human and for you to be trusted as well on their platform, right? And if you don't want to go with the personal account, you can go with the business account. You have to make sure you have your business registered already or your business verification document registered already, set aside somewhere so you can actually use it to verify your account later on once you log in, all right? So you have to simply click on this personal account section. You have to select your country, all right? So for this particular website, it's only available for people in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, Uganda, Egypt, South Africa, Rwanda, India, Philippines, all right? So these are the countries that are supported for now. Maybe later on in the future, we don't really know whether they're going to add more countries or open it for more countries to be available to send and receive money, right? But if you are in any of these countries, you can receive money from anybody from anywhere in the whole world. You have to take note of that, okay? As you can show here, there's no United States listed here, but from this very section, from each of these countries right here, you can receive money from United States, from Italy, from Cameroon, from United Kingdom, Germany, and lots more, right? So all you need to do right now is simply select the country of your choice right here, and I'm going to be selecting Nigeria because I'm currently in Nigeria right now, okay? And you have to make sure that the country you are selecting, you already have each document, okay? So select that and click on the continue button. On this section, you have to simply add your email address and click on the continue button, all right? Once you have this in place, you have to verify your email address, all right? So they're going to be sending me a code right here. I already have an account, but I'm going to be showing you how to create this, all right? We have the 90, we have 28, and we have 61, all right? So once you have that in place, put in your password, okay? So Google recommended a strong password, so I'm going to be using Google's suggestion. You have to make sure you save this password somewhere so you can actually be using it to log into your account, okay? Then click on the OK button or continue button. So once you have that in place, the next you need to do right now is to actually go ahead and add your personal information, all right? So your personal information is your name, your middle name, okay? So I have to simply select my date of birth. All right, so from this very session, you can add your referral code so you can actually get some benefit, some bonus when you register your account newly on this platform, all right? So click on the continue button. So once you click on that, you have to add your number right here, okay? Okay, so I've already added my number, so you have to simply add your number right here, okay? Then make sure you remove the 0. Don't add 0 from the front. Don't add 0. Just make sure you start with 8 or 9, anywhere your number starts with, okay? So remember, the country code is already here. Then click on continue button, all right? So they're going to be sending you either your code on WhatsApp or SMS, all right? So anyone you prefer. I prefer to go with the SMS. I don't have time to start checking WhatsApp, all right? We have 3, 2, then 7, 8, 8, right? So the phone has been verified, okay? So that is what they said. Important account opening information, right? So you have to simply read through it, then click on the continue button. Okay, so enter your home address and all of that. So I'm going to enter something, yeah, then click on the continue button. Then save this. Automatically we are in on this account, okay? So remember, this account need to be verified. That is why I told you whatever thing you're going to be doing from the onset should tally with your document already. Okay, this is the account right now, and what you need to do right now is simply go ahead and verify your identity. Okay, so you have to simply click on this verify now button. On this section right now, you can actually use your international passport or your name. All right, so remember, if you're watching this video right now, before creating your account, you have to make sure that you use that same name, address on your name or on your international passport. Use that so that your verification can actually be faster for approval. Okay, so I've already used my international passport for this to verify my account. It is not really difficult. What you need to do is simply add your details. You have to make sure you have good lighting, like you have to make sure you be in a bright space where the camera can actually capture your document. Okay, and also you complete your license, capture every other stuff. Okay, and click on the verification. Your account to be verified for you. That's basically how this thing works. And if you don't have international passport, use your NIN. All right, use your NIN, whether plastic or paper or anyone, as long as that number is there and as long as you can actually snap it and your face is showing there. So once you have this in place, your account will be verified for you. And once your account is verified, just go back to this verification right here. You're gonna see right here, you can actually create account. Okay, so you can see my USD account and also my GBP account is created already. This is my USD bank account number. Okay, so if you come to this section, they're gonna simply give you every other detail. The USD code, the SWIFT code, every other stuff is there for you. All right, so on this same account, you can also use your USD to withdraw money. They have USDT wallet that you can actually create. On this same platform, you can also create credit card, like visual credit card for yourself. Okay, so this is it right here. If you come to this section right here, I already have a card that has been created for me. If I click on view card, you can see right here, this is the card right here, and the card is active. Okay, and for you to create your own card, you need to actually pay a token. That's the only thing that requires payment right here, and it is not really actually payment. You have to add money to your account, okay, to your card for it to be activated for you. I think either 5,000 thereabout. Okay, that should be like $3, $4. Okay, so with that, you have to simply create your account and use this card for any online payment. You can use it to renew your hosting, you can use it to renew your domain, you can use it to pay for Facebook ads, for TikTok ad, any type of advertisement you want to pay for, anything you want to pay online. As long as this card is supported, you can actually use that to pay for it. Okay, so that's basically how this particular tool right here works. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and sign up on this video platform, and once your account is registered, you are ready to start receiving payments to this video platform. Okay? And if you're a freelancer, you want to get people to pay you money, what you need to do is simply click on this invoice section, and you have to simply create invoice and send it out to your payer. All right, and they're going to simply pay you money for that. And if you have someone using Renex and you're also using Renex, you can actually send the person your ID, and the person is going to simply pay into your account. For instance, if you go to my profile right here, if you go to my profile settings right here, and you're gonna see right here we have this Renex tag. Okay, so if I send this Renex tag to someone that is already using Renex, which was previously known as GPay, then the person can actually send me money. All right, I can send the person money with his or her own tag as well. Okay, so this also represents your bank account, and this is going to simply go to your personal account on your Renex. Okay, and most of you might be asking question, if the money is here now, okay, like if you've already received the money on Renex, how do I now transfer it to my bank? Okay, so what you need to do is this. Once you have your money on your account just like this, you can actually click on this send button and send it to your account. You can see you can connect your bank account, you can add new receiver and connect your bank account like your local account, where you can actually withdraw it as cash. Okay, that's basically how this thing works. And also, even if you don't want to withdraw it, you can convert your money to dollar, and it will still be there for you, right, to save your money in dollars, to save your money in GBP or euro. Okay, go ahead and create your account right now and start using this very platform. Okay, so if you found this helpful, I want you to hit the like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. See you in the next one.